Hey all my foodie friends and family, how are you doing? It's certainly fall weather happening here in Toronto, and we're going to do a delicious comfort dish. Campbell started the craze with this mushroom soup and chicken recipe, and I think I've ramped it up a bit to be even better, if you can believe that. In a deep skillet, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil you like. I wouldn't use any saturated fat. Olive oil is best, canola oil is good, but you use whatever you like. I'm adding 1 onion that I've diced and 1 tablespoon of garlic. We're going to saute those until they just start turning brown and start caramelizing and exuding some of their delicious sweet flavors. You can see now they're up to temperature, everything is sizzling nicely and starting to turn brown. I'm adding 1 pint of exotic mushrooms. In this case I'm using shiitake and cremini, but you can use whatever combination you like. If you don't like exotic mushrooms, you can certainly use button mushrooms instead. But these do have a lot more flavor than the regular white mushrooms. And this recipe is all about bringing out the mushroom flavor to go with the chicken. Chicken's not the star here, the mushrooms are. After those have sauteed for a while and starting to turn brown, don't they look good? You could eat this on a piece of toast just like this. It's so good. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can use the sodium reduced soy sauce. You'll notice in this recipe I'm not adding any salt or pepper because the soy sauce is usually quite salty on its own and the chicken is already seasoned. I'm adding 1 cup of mushroom stock. If you don't have mushroom stock, you can certainly use vegetable stock, and if you don't have that, you can use chicken stock. And if you don't have that, you can use water. It's so simple to make this recipe. I'm adding just a splash, or I guess about a 1/4 cup of 10% cream. You don't need to use cream, you could use milk. You could skip it altogether. You could use creme fraiche if you like. You could use yogurt if you like. I'm adding 6 to 8 chicken drums that I've previously baked in the oven with some seasoning. If you don't have leftover chicken like I do today, you can make this with fresh chicken drums as well. Just make sure they're well seasoned and make sure that you simmer this long enough to cook the chicken through. In this case, all we're doing is reheating and reducing the sauce. Now I've removed all the skin from these chicken drums to reduce the fat content, but you do you. Do it whichever way you like. There's the finished recipe. You can see the sauce is reduced beautifully. All we have now is a creamy mushroom sauce on some beautiful chicken drums. It's yummy. If you like the recipe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for some more chicken recipes that warm your soul. We'll see you next time.